KOT. Now there are some hotel, like there is a hotel in Hyderabad which is known as a Westin Mind Place. Westin Mind Place, there is a hotel which is a brand of your Marriott. That's the only hotel in India. That's the only hotel in India. That's the only hotel in India who will take where the waiters take the order without any KOT. Where the waiters take the order without any KOT. You know, how is it possible? कोई बोल सकता है, how is it possible? Hello people, how is it possible without KOT? How can you take the order? ये सब सो गए क्या आज? Everybody slept? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, चलो चलो चलो, ठीक है, थैंक गॉड। अच्छा, सब जगह हैं, ठीक है, थैंक गॉड थैंक गॉड थैंक गॉड। अच्छा,
Yes,
तो मैं
sir.
ये ओके, क्वाइट 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 ओके, चलो, तो मैं ये पूछा था कि कोई केओटी बिना केओटी में कहीं पे ना लिखे ऑर्डर कैसे ले सकता है? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
Sir, if
Anybody
his
can?
Sir,
memory is
orally
powerful,
पूछ के
Okay, Harshdeep, please say.
sir, if his memory is powerful, then he can remember.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Let me tell you one thing. There is something called IQ level, which is known as an intelligent quotient. एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग का IQ लेवल होता है ओनली 22. उसे नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग कहा जाता है. आइंस्टाइन का IQ था 82. बट देयर आर सम ग्रेट पीपल आल्सो जिनके IQ 10 से नीचे भी है, बट दे आर द फिनोमिनल पीपल ऑन द प्लेनेट. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल विल बी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी, जिसका IQ लेवल था ओनली 7, बट देखो वो कहां से कहां पहुंच गया. चलो ठीक है, और भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल. यस, आकांक्षा शर्मा का कुछ आंसर था. प्लीज आकांक्षा, यू कैन से. आकांक्षा, प्लीज, कैन यू से समथिंग? You're about to say something. Okay, I think there is a problem in the internet. So chalo theek hai. How can somebody take an order without a KOD? Now understand people one very simple thing. If I tell, okay, Muskan raise the hand. Okay, Muskan, please tell me what is the, how can you say take the order without a KOD?
Sir, no, I have a question about Russian and French services. Can you explain it again?
Not right now.
Yes, I
At the
want
end
the
of the
difference.
at the end. Okay, not right now. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So please now, people just hold on for. All right, people, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, Muskan, I'll get back to your question after the class. Okay. Yeah, Nilima raised the hand. How can you take an order without a KOT?
sir, we can use online method also.
ठीक है, ऑनलाइन मेथड तो चलो ठीक है. सपोज अभी समझ लो, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, देयर इज नो कोविड 19 था नहीं, नॉर्मल जैसे चल रहा था वैसा ही था. उस टाइम कैसे इन लोगों ने ये टेक्नोलॉजी दे हैव अप्लाइड? एनी आइडिया? ओके, very interesting thing. Acha, Harshdeep Singh is there? Harshdeep, are you there?
Yes, sir, present. Sir,
Acha,
present.
acha, okay. Harshdeep, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh. All right. Acha, Harshdeep, if I tell you how many districts are there in Chhattisgarh, you will able to say, na? So say it now.
Sir, I think, sir, 31.
No. Just say names. Only 5, 6, 4.
Sir, Durg,
Okay.
and sir, Dhamtari,
Okay.
Dhamtari, Rajnandgaon,
Okay, ठीक है.
Amgaon,
Okay,
and
right. Raipur.
uh,
Raipur is also there, right?
yes, sir, Raipur
अच्छा, ठीक
and
है.
Bilaspur.
बिलासपुर. अच्छा, हर्षदीप,
Yes.
प्लीज स्टॉप नाउ. ओके, चलो ठीक है, हम अब चलते हैं नीलिमा के पास. ओके, नीलिमा, व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया यू आर फ्रॉम?
So, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow.
Uttar Pradesh. So how many districts are there in UP? You can say the name, some of the name.
So, Agra, Prayagraj, Alambagh, and Varanasi. And
Acha. Now suppose Nilima, if I say that like what is the difference between Lucknow and Varanasi? Can you
You
able
have
to
joined
explain?
me that is being recorded privacy. You are joined attendee.
Yeah. Anurag, please quiet yourself.
Vikia.
Okay. So yes, Nilima, can you say that what's the difference between Varanasi and Lucknow? दोनों में जगह के क्या significance में difference है?
Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Right? And Varanasi?
I think there are temples over there.
Yes. So we can call it Varanasi as a religious capital of UP, right? Okay. Now understand one thing, Harshdeep or Nilima, both of you understand the same thing. Suppose your menu card is nothing but a UP, or
हाँ बे क्लास का चक्कर था.
your menu card is nothing but UP and your menu card is nothing but a Chhattisgarh. So if somebody asks Harshdeep, okay Harshdeep, can you tell me what is the difference? What are the things, what are the districts are there in the Chhattisgarh? So Harshdeep will say very easily. Same way, if Harshdeep learned the menu of a hotel, so when Harshdeep enters a restaurant and he learns the entire menu by heart with ingredients and everything, then आपके सामने कोई problem नहीं होगा. You can take the order just like that. Now, if I say Harshdeep right now, Harshdeep, how can I go from Raipur to Durg? He will say it very, very easily. Because you know why? Because he's seen that thing in his eyes. If I say to Nilima that how do I go from Lucknow to what is this place called Noida, then she will tell me very easily because she has seen with his eyes. She has lived that distance in traveling. इसलिए बहुत आसान हो जाता है, इसलिए बहुत आसान हो जाता है ऑर्डर टेकिंग. आई हैव सीन इन वेस्ट इन माइंड प्लेस हैदराबाद, वहां के लोगों को हर एक चीज मेन्यू के हर एक पन्ने के बारे में दे नो एवरीथिंग. सो व्हेन एवर गेस्ट प्लेस एन ऑर्डर, दे जस्ट लिसन. वो कुछ सुनते नहीं है ना कहीं कुछ नोट डाउन करते हैं. दे जस्ट लिसन सो नाइसली. अब देखो मेमोरी लेवल तो सबके अच्छा नहीं होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. लेकिन अगर आप एक चीज को बार बार रट्टा मारते जाओगे, इफ यू जस्ट रिमिनाइजिंग थिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम, एक ही शब्द को, तो वो आपके दिमाग में छप जाता है. सेम होता है वेस्ट इन माइंड प्लेस हैदराबाद में. वहां पे क्या होता है, द पीपल एक्चुअली रीड द मेन्यू. आई मीन इफ यू एवर गेट अ चांस टू ज्वाइन एज एन एफएमबी एम्प्लॉय इन वेस्ट इन माइंड प्लेस हैदराबाद, वहां पे 3 महीने तक आपको बैक एरिया में रखा जाएगा. दे विल ओनली टेल यू that okay, first you read the menu, then the restaurant manager come take a test of yours. If you are comfortable to, if he feels that yes you are ready, then you will be allowed to come inside and take the guest order. A very very fantastic thing. दुनिया में किसी होटल में शायद ये नहीं होता होगा जहां पे वेटर्स विदाउट KOT ऑर्डर लेता है. ओके, that's an interesting story. चलो ठीक है, we'll take a look that in a later on stage. Now we go to the chapter.
Sir.
Yes, Harshdeep, please.
Sir, for this remembering the menu, the example is the famous movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan. In that, the hotel waiter is saying the menu. Do you remember?
Yes. Right. खाने में क्या है? That this
Sir,
small,
non-veg.
Like
Veg
in
only.
Ludo,
yeah,
like in
non-veg,
Ludo.
yeah,
Well.
right. Yes, right. So something like this, because the fact is that you know, when this people goes to the restaurant, I mean simple thing, अगर आप ढाबे में जाओगे, ये आईएचएम ग्वालियर के बाजू में एक ढाबा है, उसका नाम है टिंकू ढाबा. If you go over there, the dhaba waiter never use a KOT. Very very interesting thing. और देखो वहां पे नीचे कितना भीड़ होता है. ये एमआईटी ग्वालियर के स्टूडेंट आते हैं, वहां पे आईएचएम ग्वालियर के स्टूडेंट आते हैं, एंड इट्स बिकम टू क्राउडेड, बट ही नेवर टेक्स अ केओटी टू राइट द ऑर्डर. हाउ ही रिमेंबर? बिकॉज ऑल द ऑर्डर इज सेल्फ मेड. वो खुद अपने हाथों से उस ऑर्डर को बनाया है लास्ट 10 साल से. और दैट इज व्हाई इट्स बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर हिम टू रिमेंबर. उसको बस ऑर्डर दिमाग में रखना है. वेस्ट इन माइंड प्लेस पे भी कुछ ऐसा होता है, उसका ऑर्डर दिमाग में रखना है, एंड देन ही विल गो टू द कंप्यूटर, प्रेस द आई मीन लाइक दैट buttons and all, and immediately the electronic KOT will be appear in the food production department. ठीक है, right? Okay. तो चलिए, ये तो कहानी था, अब इसको आगे बढ़ते हैं. For the exam purpose, take a look at this. हमको ये सारी चीजें पढ़ना है. What is a KOT? What is a triplicate system? What is duplicate KOT system? And what is quick service menu? Customer bill, making the bill, cash record, and all this thing. इनमें जो सबसे important stage है वो ये point number A है. The KOT and the BOT system, where we'll take a look at the what is the typical style, what is the duplicate style, and all this fact. Check it right. We move to the next slide. We move to the next slide, which says that why we need a KOT. So first of all, the most important thing, see, we need to understand what is my food sale. So let's take an example, the city like Gwalior, where there is a people coming from all the part of India, and you know they are dining in the restaurant. You will able to see that if I put up, it's just like an analysis. You can say कि मेरे मेनू के अंदर there is a pizza, there is a burger, there is a biryani, there is a sandwich, there is a kulfi, and there is a creme brulee. But unfortunately, suddenly I have seen there is a spike in the sandwich, or there is a spike in the fast food. तो इससे आपको एनालाइज करने की मौका मिलता है. बिरयानी यहाँ पे कोई खाता नहीं है. अगर बिरयानी कोई नहीं खाता है तो व्हाई आई एम पुटिंग दिस मेन्यू ऑन द फूड इन द menu? I have to remove it, because when you put something menu on the food, you need to do some mise en place. And mise en place में क्या होता है कि आपको वेस्टेज होता है. बिरयानी आपके मेन्यू में है, इसका मतलब है कि बिरयानी का राइस सोक करके आपको रखना है. एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू मेक इट रेडी. वंस द गेस्ट प्लेस द ऑर्डर हैज टू कम फ्रॉम द area and it has to be served to the restaurant. लेकिन अगर वो ऑर्डर कभी नहीं आया तो क्या होगा? एक दिन यूज कर सकते हो, 2 दिन 3 दिन के बाद उसको आपको फेंकना होगा, क्योंकि देखो रेफ्रिजरेटेड फूड तो हम खिला नहीं सकते. ठीक है. Then sometime what happened, waiter may undercharge or overcharge. So let's take an example. There is a friends and family of waiter. So now understand, अनुराग का कोई दोस्त आ गया, या फिर अनुराग पांडे का कोई, let's take an example, कोई अपना फैमिली मेंबर्स आ गए उनके रेस्टोरेंट में. तो अनुराग विल से अरे चलो ठीक है, आज थोड़ा सा कम चार्ज करता हूँ. तो 10 रुपए का जो खाना है उसने उसको 5 रुपए में चार्ज किया, या फिर डिस्काउंट दे दिया विदाउट द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर. Now let's take an example. ये भी होता है. You will also see when you go for the industrial training, what will happen that you are in the restaurant. आपने देखा कि अभी मेरा शिफ्ट आउट हो गया है, अब मुझे अभी घर जाना है. घर जाके खाना पका के फायदा क्या है? यहाँ पे बुफे से कुछ ऑर्डर, या फिर शेफ को बोल दो, शेफ कैन यू मेक मी सम burger and all. You will have that food and you will leave that place. But the problem is, फ्री में ये जो आप खाना कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, इसका रेवेन्यू कहाँ पे है? देयर इज नो रेवेन्यू, बिकॉज दैट शेफ विल नेवर चार्ज फूड फ्रॉम यू. ओके. To control the food cost of the thing, I mean like the dish that you make that has a food cost, it has to be controlled, otherwise it will be considered as a wastage cost. Now reduction in the sale leads to the wastage and there is more closure of business. अगर आपने बिना केओटी के खाना देना शुरू कर दिया, let's take an example, there is a restaurant of Akanksha and suddenly Akash Singh comes in. Akash says, oh my god, my friend is there, Mr. Akash. Okay, Akash, what do you like to have? I would like to have some butter chicken. So what will happen? She will give the food free of cost. So now if you give the food free of cost like this, then there will be no revenue, and at the end of the day your restaurant will be closed. So this is the main reason KOT has been there. Basically आप ये बोल सकते हो कि KOT का पर्पस ये है to control the entire food and beverage system. This is the one word you should say. Okay, right? Now we take a look at the what is the procedures of order taking. How do we take the order? Okay, so order taking procedures में होता क्या है? First of all, the first we take a look at the screen that is coming on your I mean like on your phone or laptop, is that the menu is presented to the guest and the guest will name, I mean like there is a menu with the prices and everything. The guest will take a look at the menu and they will say, okay, I would like to order for some ghost Rogan Josh. Okay, so once the order has been placed, now the order has been placed by the guest, the server, and the server repeats the order. So she or he, whosoever is server, repeat the order. After repeating the order, waiter note down that order in his KOT, which is also known as an order taking book, or you can also call it a kitchen order ticket. Now there is something called BOT, that's known as a bar. I mean like it's actually used in the bar, but it is known as a beverage order ticket. Okay, right? Now, under this KOT system, there are two classification actually. The first one is known as a duplicate system and the next one is known as a triplicate system. Now, people understand this very, very carefully. इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना, यही है मेन खेल, इसके बाद और कुछ नहीं है इस चैप्टर में. देखो, कोई भी बिल अगर आप दुकान में जाके मांगते हो तो उसके दो कॉपी होता है, एक होता है टॉप कॉपी, एक होता है बॉटम कॉपी. Top copy is something where you write the order. I mean like जहाँ पे हम लिखते हो कि I have purchased a headphone or a mobile phone. और जो दूसरा कॉपी है वो दुकान के पास ही रह जाता है. And they use a carbon copy. तो जब आज से बहुत साल पहले जब कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम नहीं आया था तो डुप्लीकेट सिस्टम हम यूज करते थे. उसके हिसाब से केओटी का कंसेप्ट आया है. अभी तो देखिए, इफ यू गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट, there is no duplicate system, there is no triplicate system, because the entire thing is now turned into a KOT style. और COVID-19 के बाद तो और डिजिटल हो गया है. अभी तो KOT का वही कुछ मतलब ही नहीं. लेकिन हाँ, होटल इंडस्ट्री का जो बेसिक ऑर्डर टेकिंग सिस्टम है वो यहीं से शुरू हुआ था. तो डुप्लीकेट सिस्टम में क्या हो रहा है कि देयर इज अ टॉप कॉपी व्हिच इज व्हाइट एंड देयर इज अ बॉटम कॉपी व्हिच इज ग्रीन. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, the top copy, when the waiters take the order, that top copy will goes to the chef, where the chef will make the food. Okay, and what about the second copy? The second copy retained back at the restaurant. तो second copy जो होता है वो रेस्टोरेंट में रह जाता है, because that bill, that copy will be used as a bill for the guest. ये आज से बहुत साल पहले ये सिस्टम होता था. लेकिन इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम दिखा क्या, I mean like there is a problem we have found out. What is the problem? The problem we have seen when we writing this KOT, actually what is happening that I mean like the second copy is sometime get lost, or the chef will lose the second copy due to some reason or something. So to avoid that in a better way, there is a triplicate system got started. अब ट्रिप्लीकेट सिस्टम में क्या हो रहा है कि टॉप कॉपी विल वंस अगेन गो टू द शेफ, शेफ विल मेक द फूड, एंड द सेकंड कॉपी will retain back, I'm sorry, I have written here to the kitchen area, but it's not the right word. Second copy goes to the waiter. मतलब second copy जो है वो waiter के जेब में रह जाता है, because that is a verification. इसका मतलब ये कि suppose guest has ordered for a butter chicken and the butter chicken will come from the restaurant, and then the server will check the KOT which is there in his pocket with the order that the server brought. तो वो एक बार चेक कर लेगा वो कि ओके ठीक है, मैंने बिरयानी का ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था, क्या सच में बिरयानी है? बिकॉज एक रेस्टोरेंट में अ वेटर विल नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ ओनली वन टेबल, ही हैज टेक केयर ऑफ ओनली 20 to 22 tables sometime. So that's why to avoid this confusion, one copy now retained back at the waiter, and the third copy now goes to the cashier for the billing. वो थर्ड कॉपी जो है वो बाद में बिल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके, दैट्स द डुप्लीकेट एंड दैट्स द ट्रिप्लीकेट. ओके, इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट सिस्टम में जाएंगे. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट सिस्टम से जाने से पहले हम एक छोटा सा वीडियो देख लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि एक्चुअली है क्या ये ऑर्डर टेकिंग, है क्या, मतलब लाइक हाउ डू वी टेक अ ऑर्डर. ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू कम टू द प्रैक्टिकल क्लास फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल गेट अ क्लियर पिक्चर, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आपको शायद समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, तो हम एक छोटा सा वीडियो देख लेते हैं. लेट्स गो हियर. Okay, just hold on, people. Just a moment. And okay, where are we? Okay. So as you can see, I'm going to include the computer song. Yeah. So we've got a small video where we'll take a look at how the order taking has been done in a hotel. Okay.
When you take a guest order, you want to remember a couple things. You want to remember to look at your guests in the eye, look at them individually. You also want to remember to number your guests, put them in under next seat when you use your handheld computer. And then you also want to remember to repeat the order back to the guest. And before you leave, make sure you manicure the table. All right, excuse me, gentlemen, were you ready to order? Yeah. Okay, let me get this ready here. All right, and for you, sir?
I'll have a burger.
Okay, would you like a hamburger or a cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, all right, that comes with mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onions. Is that all right?
That's perfect.
Okay, would you like to add bacon, avocado, mushrooms, anything?
Bacon sounds great.
Okay, bacon cheeseburger. And that does come with chips. Would you like to add French fries or onion rings onto that?
French fries.
French fries? Okay, very good. And you, sir?
King Ranch casserole.
King Ranch casserole. Okay, and that comes with rice and beans. Those be all right with you?
Rice and some spinach.
Sure. Okay. All right, let me just repeat this back to you to make sure I've got it correctly. You had a cheeseburger with bacon, adding French fries, and you had the King Ranch casserole with beans and spinach. Is that correct? Okay, very good. I'll get that order right in for you. You're welcome.
All right, so that's how you have taken a look right now, that how a basic style of order has been taken. Although this person or this lady is taking the order in a, I mean, like palm top or something like this. So obviously there is no need of it. But okay, I mean, like if you go to the hotels, you will be able to see that it's taken on a palm top or something. Okay. So now let's get back to the topic. Now we have taken the order from the guest. Now this order will now go to the chef for the making the order. Okay, I mean like making the food. Suppose somebody's ordered for a burger or something, that the order will go to the area now. Now there is a person who is standing at the counter who will read out the order to all the chef. You know what's the name of that person? Anybody can say?
Barker.
I'm absolutely right. Excellent answer. Okay, and what do you call in French? What do you call in French, Barker? This is a very, very common MCQ question. ये जरूर आएगा exam में. Yes, that's right. It's right. It's Aboyer. A-B-O-Y-U-R, something like this. Okay. So it's Aboyer and Barker. So once the order goes to that Barker, he suddenly shouts the order. All right,
Sir,
one.
Roy?
Hello. Yes, please. So once she or he get the order, he will suddenly bark this order. You know why it is called bark? Because dog actually barks. And if you in reality, if you go to a hotel, you will see that when somebody receives the order, he shouts the order like anything, so that the entire chef team get alert that okay, there is a order has arrived. A very interesting thing to see. Okay. So now chef will receive the order, and once the order has been received, he'll start to prepare the food. Now, the food is prepared by the chef within the stipulated time, and followed by the order is picked up by the barker. Now, remember one thing: there is a barker or aboyer standing at the pass counter where the order has been placed. So this person will going to bring up the order, because see, there is a table number in the KOT pad. There is a table number. There is a name of the server. Let's take an example: table number 25. Waiter name is Anurag Pandey, and so Barker knows the table number 25. I have to go and I have to find it to Anurag Pandey. Now Barker will never serve the order to the guest. इस गलतफहमी से कभी मत रहना. Barker will only shout the order, and once the order is ready, he picked up the order from there and he will bring that order to the Mr. Pandey. Okay, because he know that Pandey is taking care of table number 25, so naturally the order will be picked up. Okay. Now we go to the next one, which says that when the order is picked up by the waiter, अब क्या होगा कि Anurag will pick up the order from the barker and he will serve the order to the guest. Now guest will start the taking the food, and the finally his bill is जो bill जो आपका बन जाएगा, that will be served to the guest with the KOT. Now remember one thing, this third KOT which was retained by the waiter and also the cashier, that will turn into a, I mean like there is no purpose of, now order has been served, now there is no purpose of keeping the KOT in the waiter's pocket. So that waiter's pocket KOT and the KOT which is there in the cashier, both will turn into a double copy bill. So one copy, the top copy will be taken by the guest. Guest ऐसा एक बिल लेके घर पहुंच जाएगा, जस्ट टू चेक कि समझ लो कल अगर उसकी कोई पेट में प्रॉब्लम हुआ या तो कल उसकी कोविड-19 हो गया तो ही विल ब्लेम और शी विल ब्लेम, देखिए ये मेरा बिल है, मैं रेस्टोरेंट में गया था, मैं ये खाया था और मेरा उससे फूड पॉइजन हो गया. So चलो वो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. एंड द थर्ड कॉपी जो वेटर्स के पॉकेट में था, वो कॉपी वापस रह जाएगा रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर, बिकॉज वो इट्स दैट इज नथिंग बट अ स्लिप, वो एक स्लिप बन जाता है कि tomorrow if somebody wants to come and check, suppose the guest who is there, he said that you know I went to this XYZ restaurant and I had a sandwich over there and my stomach got upset. So if somebody wants to complain like this, then the waiter will match the KOT, I mean like match the bill which is there in the restaurant. उस मैचिंग पर्पस के लिए, जैसे सिंपल थिंग, आपको समझ लो शर्ट और पैंट आयरन करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे, सर आप अभी शर्ट और पैंट यहाँ पे छोड़ के जाइए, बिल आप पे कर दीजिए, 1 घंटे बाद आइएगा, वही बिल दिखाएगा, मैं आपको शर्ट पैंट दे दूंगा. जस्ट सिंपल एग्जांपल इज बीन फॉलोड हियर आल्सो. So you will go with that bill. The server, I mean the person who is ironing your cloth, he will check that bill with the bill in your hand. All okay? Now I will give you the cloth. So for the checking purpose, for the control purpose, this KOT which has been retained by the waiter will be the purpose behind this. कि दोनों KOT अगर एक साथ रहेगा आपके पास, then you can take a look in the later stage if there is any problem. अब once again two system होता है, there is a duplicate system and there is a triplicate system. Now in case of bill, the first copy goes to the guest as a bill copy for reference and the second copy goes to the restaurant cashier. And you know the interesting fact is, when the operation closes like 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock, the restaurant will close. Next morning all those bills which are there kept in the restaurant, ये सारे finance department में पहुंच जाता है. होटल में एक फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट होता है और यू कैन से द अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट होता है, वहां पे सारे बिल पहुंच जाता है. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई, सर क्यों जाता है? क्योंकि फाइनेंस इज अ पर्सन हु कंट्रोल द बजट, फूड बजट, यू नो रूम्स budget, beverage budget and everything. They want to check whether I am meeting the budget every day or not. तो सारे bills at the end of the day पहुंच जाता है फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट के पास, क्योंकि the bills that you get, the serial number, the bills that you get, it's actually coming from the finance department. Okay, that's the reason this is the fact of duplicate. But in case of a triplicate system, first copy goes to the I mean like chefs and they will stay over there. वो कॉपी जो है वो शेफ के पास ही रह जाता है. there is a small KOT box होता है, जैसे order is gone, the KOTs will go back to that box. But you know next day वो KOT भी फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में पहुंच जाता है, बिकॉज फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट वांट टू चेक कि अभिषेक ने कितना फ्री का खाना अनुराग पांडे को खिला दिया. अगर फ्री का खाना खिलाएगा तो KOT तो आपको पंच करना होगा, लेकिन बिल भी पे करना होगा. अगर वहां पे बिल नहीं है तो दैट मींस देयर इज अ डिस्क्रिपेंसी. सडनली द मैनेजर विल बी कॉल्ड अप के साथ, देखिए देयर वाज अ ऑर्डर ऑफ भिंडी आमचूरी बट यू नो देयर इज नो बिल, सो देयर इज अ KOT. Somebody has given the order for table number 25, there is a भिंडी आमचूरी order. Actually वो भिंडी आमचूरी कभी 25 में गया नहीं, वो अभिषेक गौर ने अनुराग पांडे के लिए ही किया था. So that's the main reason this checking system has to be done. So finance people will check the KOT with the bill they have in the restaurant, क्योंकि वो बिल जो है वो नेक्स्ट दिन फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में जा रहा है, and at the same time the KOT is also there in the chef, so chef will send the KOTs, so both will be matched. Okay, and obviously the second copy will go to the guest as a bill copy and the guest will keep the bill copy with himself. This is the entire process. इस चीज को आपको थोड़ा सा दिमाग में सही से रखना है. Okay, अब इसको समझने के लिए कि सर अभी तक आप क्या बोल रहे हो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो हम ये देख लेते हैं क्या होता है. तो इसे कहते हैं हम KOT, जो you can take a look at on the screen. अभी आपकी स्क्रीन के सामने जो आ रहा है. So let's take a look. How does it look like? We'll also do this in the practical class. ये जो the one that you watch as a sample, this one is basically a KOT, which is handwritten. But this one is computer generated. So first of all, the waiter will take the order in this KOT, and then they will go to the computer, punch the order, and then you will get this kind of electronic generated KOTs. So over here, what is happening? The waiter will write the date, the covers, मतलब कितना guest है, table number, name of the waiter, the time of the order, and the quantities also. Okay. And once the KOT has been, he take the order, then he will punch the order and this thing will come. But आज से कुछ साल पहले जब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम नहीं था, then what used to happen? Then this e-KOT was not there, so everything has to be done on a hand. तो e-KOT के बदले यहाँ पे hand written KOT used to come. But आज के डेट में वो है नहीं, because the entire thing has got changed. But still you have to learn. This is how a KOT look like. इसके बाद after this there is something called, now this KOT is controlled by this 4 important people, which you can take a look at the screen. Chef makes the order, waiter takes the order, cashier makes the bill, finance controller check the entire system, whether the entire system is fantastic, I mean like whether there is any flaws or not. Okay, right? And okay, चलो एक क्विज आ गया आजकल. ठीक है people, जो सो गए थे जाग जाइए. There is a quiz and switch on your mics again. देखते हैं पहला क्विज क्या है आज आपका हमारा. सॉरी, what is the meaning of carte de jour? Carte de jour का मीनिंग क्या है, कौन बोल सकता है?
Sir, a menu
Sir,
of
card of the
dishes
day.
available on a particular
Sir,
day.
card of the day.
Card of the
Yes, Ankita. Okay, people, please hold on. Ankita, what is the, I mean, like, what is the translation of carte de jour?
Sir, card of the day.
Okay, du jour का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by du jour?
Sir, day means it.
Yes,
Card of
yes.
the day.
Yes, so jour is day and jour is day, and the do is basically off. So if it is a pen of the day, so it should be pen du jour, something like this. Okay, right? Next question देखते हैं क्या है. Okay, Garidon service is modern day transform into what kind of service? Garidon तो आजकल आपको नहीं दिखेगा, उसके बदले एक नया टाइप ऑफ कुकिंग स्टाइल निकला है जो Garidon सर्विस से आया है. What is that name? I've said several times. What is it, people? Come on. So Garidon service is gone. Now instead of that, some new style of service has come. So what is
live
the service?
cooking.
Yes, excellent. Who is it? Acha, who is it?
Rajnish.
Acha, Rajnish Dam. That's right. It's live counters. That's right. Yes, live counter. Okay. Next quiz क्या है देख लेते हैं हम. Accompaniment of roast turkey. कौन बोल सकता है? Roasted turkey का
Sir,
accompaniment क्या है?
cranberry sauce and roasted gravy.
बस ठीक है. Fantastic, excellent, Ankita. That's called cranberry sauce. So cranberry sauce, we all know that roast turkey is a Christmas Day's famous food. इस तरह से आप बोल सकते हो ये भगवान का एक तरह से दान है, roasted turkey, and it is served with a cranberry sauce. Okay. Yes, next quiz. Angel on horseback. अब देखते हैं किसमें कितना.
Sir, it's a hot appetizer made of oysters and it is wrapped of bacon, something like this, sir.
So where's oyster wrapped in bacon, but that's not an appetizer. Yeah, the dish is right, but it's not an appetizer.
ये canopies होती है, canopies.
Yes, excellent, Rahul Sikka. That's the right answer. It's canopies, basically canopies, or you can call it as a savory. So there is a toasted bread on the top. You can find it on Angels on horseback, or else you can find it without the toasted bread also. Okay. Next क्या है? अच्छा, ये कौन बोल सकता है? Poached egg, Hollandaise sauce, and salmon and English muffin. It will turn into what kind of egg
Sir.
preparation? Yes, please.
Sir, what? तेरी. अरे.
Rajnish, please mute if you don't want to speak.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
American breakfast.
No, 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 no.
Sir,
not
egg
American
Benedict.
breakfast. No, not egg Benedict.
Sir, egg Benedict.
No, no, no,
Uh-oh.
not egg Benedict. Think. It's called eggs royal. So it's very simple thing. You got a poached, you got English muffin. Then there is a poached egg and Hollandaise sauce, and there is a ham that will be known as a eggs Benedict. Now you take out the ham, add some spinach in that. That will be known as a eggs Florentine. You take out the Florentine, add some bacon. That will be known as egg Blackstone. Now you take out the bacon and add some salmon. That will be known as eggs royal. So salmon is turned into eggs royal. देखो salmon is basically an expensive fish, तो इसलिए उसको कहा जाता है royal egg preparation, something like this. ठीक है, right? Okay. Next. अच्छा, इसके बाद क्या है देखते हैं एक बार. नेक्स्ट क्विज क्या है हमारा? ओके, ऑमलेट का अकम्पनीमेंट क्या है? सीधी, एकदम सीधी भाषा में.
हैश ब्राउन पोटैटो
एंड
Tomato sauce,
टोस्ट
बेकन
sir,
No, no,
tomato sauce.
Over medium.
नो, एक तो
Sir,
अंकिता ने
grilled
सही
tomato.
कहा है. Yeah, that's grilled
Sir,
tomato.
grilled tomato.
Yes, right. It's a that's the right answer. Yes, grilled tomato and hash brown potato. It can be hash brown or it can be boiled potato. Toast sometime you can give, but the general accompaniment for a boiled, like for an omelette. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, omelette. Okay, it's not a boil. I'm not talking about boiled egg or poached egg. Omelette का specific accompaniment है your hash brown or maybe any kind of potato preparation, and there is a grilled tomato. अब ये कौन बोल सकता है? टाइप्स ऑफ फ्राइड एग क्या क्या है?
सनी साइड अप.
Okay, Ankita, yes, first one is right. Next. Nobody will.
Over easy.
No.
Overwhelmed.
Let Ankita speak on.
Sir, over easy.
Over easy. Overwhelmed.
Bullseye.
Overwhelm.
Okay, people, only Ankita will speak
Overwhelmed.
right now. Ankita will speak right now. Okay, so first of all, if for first one is Ankita, it's right. That's sunny side up. Followed by the next one is
Over
over
easy.
medium
over easy. Rahul,
Well.
please quiet. Yes.
over
And then
medium
Overwhelmed.
नहीं, overwhelm बोल के कुछ नहीं होता है. There is something else. So, okay, ठीक है. Now I'll move to Rahul. Yes, Rahul, please carry on.
over medium
Yeah, there is nothing called over medium actually. One is there is something called fried egg sunny side up. That is sunny side up is done. Followed by the next one is the over easy. Then the second one
Sir,
which you're talking
turnover.
about, yes, that's known as a turnover. राहुल सिंह का जो आप बोल रहे हो, that is actually turnover. Okay, राहुल, turnover के last में क्या होता है? सबसे last में
उसको मतलब उसको फ्लिप करते हैं तब कह रहे सर.
नहीं. I mean, already when you do an over easy, the egg is already flipped. Now it is well cooked, and last में जो हम पहुंचते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Because in the last stage of fried egg, the eggs yolk is completely become hard. What do you call that? That's known as, people please listen carefully and press a Control S and save it in your memory file. That is known as fried egg well done. So remember one thing, आपने देखा होगा इस वीडियो में जब वो waiter order ले रहा था, how knowledgeable she is, that he is saying that okay, would you like a cheeseburger, like a chicken burger, like a like a veg burger or something. So same we need to keep in one thing mind when guest order for, when the guest order for, can I get a fried egg? You should not say yes sir. You should say, may I get you a sunny side up? May I get you an over easy? May I get you a turnover? Or may I get you a fried egg well done? Okay, right? So order taking skills we'll start with the practical classes, but just of now just learn this thing. Next quiz. The word TDH mean, ये तो सबको मालूम ही है.
Tablet.
Sir, it is a type of menu.
Tab-
Table
tab-
होते हैं.
or we can call it table of the host, something like this. ठीक है? All right, चलो. लेकिन please people do not write table of the host. Always write table di hote. ठीक है? Because that's the right answer. Table di hote is transformed into table of the host, which is an English version, but otherwise please write that table di hote. Okay, right? Next, fruits are served with what kind of sugar? कौन से sugar से आप?
Castor sugar.
That's right. Amazing people. Castor sugar. That's right. Sevaruga is a type of. Sevaruga is a
Caviar.
type of. Yeah,
Caviar.
not a caviar actually.
So it's sturgeon fish.
Absolutely right. Yes, yes, sturgeon fish. So basically, yeah. Now, people, if somebody says severuga kya type of caviar hai, type of fish hai, you know, both the answer is right. But actually, severuga is a type of sturgeon fish which is found in the coast of North Atlantic Sea. तो जो वहां से जो रो ऑफ एग्स आता है विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ कैवियर दैट इज नेम्ड आफ्टर सेवेरुगा. तो सेवेरुगा एंड बेलुगा सेम केस. Now beluga, which is once again another expensive caviar of the world, that has come from the beluga sturgeon fish. So naturally, if there is a roe, the roe is also known as a beluga roe or beluga caviar. आप अगर ये पूछोगे तो सर कौन सा आंसर राइट है, तो मैं बोलूंगा कि आइडियली जो राइट आंसर है दैट विल बी नोन एज अ स्टर्जियन फिश. तो जब भी अगर आपको कोई ये कहे कि व्हाट इज सेवेरुगा, तो आप सीधा उसको ये बोल दो कि सर इट इज बेसिकली अ स्टर्जियन फिश फाउंड इन द कोस्ट ऑफ अटलांटिक ओशन, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इफ वी गेट अ रो ऑफ इट that will be known as a caviar. That's a complete answer. Okay, right? So people, that's why I have pick up these questions, because the point behind this, the midterm is approaching fast. So please start read the topics from your books. Okay, that will be very essential. Okay, right? So अभी तक तो हम लोगों ने जो देखा था that was a KOT. Now let's take a look. How does a bill look like? तो चलो हम थोड़ा सा बिल देख लेते हैं, इसको हम बाद में कर लेंगे. ये देखो बिल कैसा होता है, ये आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर अभी एक आ रहा होगा. यू कैन टेक ए लुक एट दिस थिंग. सो देखिए हाउ द बिल लुक लाइक दिस. द बिल इज लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो ये जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर है ये बिल कहाँ का है? ताज अच्छा ओके जस्ट अ मोमेंट, आई थिंक आई हैव दैट्स राइट. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, आई एम गिविंग यू अनदर टाइप ऑफ व्यू बिकॉज इस व्यू में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. विल गेट अ क्लियर शॉट फ्रॉम हियर. होल्ड ऑन. Okay, as you can take a look at here, how the bill look like. तो हमने KOT अभी देख लिया है, अब हम bill देखेंगे. Hold on, yeah, okay. Let's take a look at this. That's the bill, and now you can take a look. This is a bill of electronic generated bill of Taj Usha Kiran Palace. So यहाँ पे लिखा है होटल का नाम ताज उषा किरण पैलेस. This is a bill number. ये एक नंबर है which is given by the finance department. This is the address of the, I mean, like the Taj Hotel, which is Jayendraganj, Laskar, Gwalior, and all everything. Now there is something called the restaurant name is Silver Saloon. ये देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है the restaurant name is Silver Saloon. इसके बाद जैसे कि we all know 2016 से हमारे देश पे GST चालू हो गया था. तो every business organization is nowadays has got a GST number. So that's the GST number here. ये GST number है ताज उषा किरण पैलेस का. इसके बाद है देयर इज अ बिल नंबर. नाउ आप अगर ये बोल रहे हो कि व्हाट इज दिस बिल नंबर एंड व्हाट इज दिस बिल नंबर, आई विल टेल यू दैट दिस इज द बिल नंबर व्हिच इज रिटन मैनुअली फ्रॉम द फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट. दिस इज अ बिल नंबर व्हिच इज जनरेटेड बाय द कंप्यूटर. बस और कुछ नहीं, यही बस डिफरेंस है. ये बेसिकली बिल नंबर जो है इसको लेके आपको इतना लोड लेने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज कंप्लीट टेंशन ऑफ द फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट. इसके बाद देयर इज अ डेट एंड टाइम. ये डेट एंड टाइम आप देख लीजिए. पैक्स कितने लोग बैठ के खाना खा रहे थे, एक आदमी बैठ के खाना खा रहा था. एंड दैट द टेबल नंबर इज व्हाट्स द टेबल नंबर? टेबल नंबर इज 4. कैशियर, हु इज द कैशियर? कैशियर वाज मिस्टर प्रमोद राठौर. वेटर वाज प्रमोद राठौर. अब इस रेस्टोरेंट में उस दिन ऐसा था कि इस रेस्टोरेंट में उस दिन स्टाफिंग की थोड़ी कमी थी, कोविड-19 एंड ऑल सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फैक्टर में. तो कैशियर जो एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठा होता है, who is to take out all the bills and all everything, that person was not there. So this person was acting as a waiter and as well as a cashier. तो ये आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि प्रमोद राठौर was a person who took the order from the guest. अब देखिए यहाँ पे क्या क्या इसने ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है. The guest has placed the order for minestrone soup, which is cost this one. Then Cajun pies grilled chicken, which is 775. Then is also ordered for a French fries. And see, understand one thing, all the food has got a code. ये देखिए ये सारे फूड के कोड नंबर्स है, SAC कोड. बिकॉज ये अचानक से कोड की क्या जरूरत आ गई? Code was required just to check by the front of, I mean, like just check by the food and beverage manager or the finance controller for this purpose, that how much minestrone soup is sold, how much minestrone soup I have sold, how much Cajun spice grilled chicken I have sold. So that's the purpose, the code number is there. Followed by, there is something called liquor. So that person is also ordered for a Jacob's white wine glass. Now, what is Jacob's? Jacob's is the Australian white wine that's come from a Jacob's Creek naam hai uska. So from that, he has got this liquor, which the glass, one glass, that cost you 950 rupees. Total is this bill. And after that, you can take a look, there is a 5% VAT. Now, why there is a 5% VAT? VAT तो है ही नहीं, GST आ गया. Liquor में आज भी VAT होता है, and tobacco में. So when somebody sells a cigarette or a cigar in a 5-star hotel, there is also a VAT. Okay. So there is a VAT on the liquor, and at the same time, there is a GST. You can take a look. There is a CGST, there is a SGST, 9%, 9%, and the grand total is coming out 2519.00. Okay. This is the entire concept of a bill. So ऐसे bill को design किया जाता है. Once the KOT has been punched, it is automatically saved in the computer, and after that, when the cashier or the waiter with that Pramod Rathore, we want to bring to take a printout, the guest want a bill, then the bills will come out. Okay. Please don't sign if you paid the cash. If you paid the cash, obviously you need to sign. Now, guest name, suppose the person who is staying in the hotel, they will not going to write this thing. You will going to, I mean, like staying in the hotel, you will write the guest name because वो room number में charge हो जाएगा, जैसे front office में आपने सीखा है. Otherwise, for the non-resident guests, like if you ever goes over there, naturally either you paid by cash or you do a Google Pay or you do a ATM card or something. That time you need not to sign anything because उसमें signature ही कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. This is a PAN card number. Every organization has their permanent account number. So this is the permanent account number of Taj Usha Kiran Palace. And then there is a GSTN number. Once again, that same GSTN number is here also. Okay. ये कुछ इनके headquarters है, the Indian Hotels Company Limited. That's the IHCL, which is the share parent company of Taj Hotels, and that has got a address here. You can see the Mandik House, Mandik Road, Mumbai 4000, India. Okay, so all these things are there, and you can take a look also. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, just at the corner, you can take a look. It's written that the guest copy. So all this you can understand that all this thing you can take a look that from the KOT is converted into a bill like this. Basically, ऐसा कोई जादू से तो कोई convert होता नहीं है. Basically, once you punch the KOT will give it a form of a bill in the computer. तो आप मुझे ये पूछो कि सर इतना कुछ अगर कंप्यूटर में है तो हम हैंड रिटन KOT लिखते क्यों है? हैंड रिटन KOT आज भी फॉलो होता है दुनिया के सारे होटल में. चाहे जितना कोरोना वायरस आ जाए या फिर कल कोई और भी आ जाए, लेकिन हैंड रिटन KOT स्टिल बी देयर बिकॉज दैट्स द बेसिक. वहीं से सब कुछ शुरू हुआ था. एंड यू नो ऑल द वेटर लाइक हर्षदीप सिंह हैज रिमाइंड अस एवरीबडी don't have a equal memory level, and not all the hotel are based in Mindplace Hyderabad. So obviously you need to take the order in a KOT. In case if there is a risk, then there is a problem. Because अगर आप कुछ भूल गए तो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. ठीक है, तो चलिए बस आज के लिए इतना ही है. And we will just also take a look in the next class that what are the different circumstantial KOT हम किसको कहते हैं. All this thing, this chapter will move on again on the next Monday, right? So for this, आज के लिए बस इतना ही है. And yes, people, if you have any question, you can raise it right now.
Sir,
yes,
if the guest has this bill and if he is staying in the hotel, then he has to pay this bill after checkout.
Yes, after checkout. At the time of checkout. But sometime क्या होता है कि गेस्ट बोलता है नहीं मैं अपने गेस्ट फोलियो के अंदर इंक्रीज नहीं करना चाहता, मैं अभी पे करना. हाँ ठीक है, अभी पे करना है तो अभी पे कर दीजिए, नहीं तो फिर आप जब चेकआउट हो जाएंगे उस टाइम पे कर देना. ठीक है, because this bill will be posted with the help of a micros computer inside the guest room folio by the cashier only. Okay, all right, anything else people?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chalo, ठीक है. Anything else people? ठीक है. Now I'll come back to Muskan Kasiwar question. Muskan, if you are there, you can ask me the question now. Hello Muskan, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question.
I have a question about French.
Question of?
Sir, French service and Russian service में difference क्या है? Can you explain it again?
Okay, so Russian service is known as a sideboard service where you place the order for a large joint meat or something.
Sir,
समझ लो,
French service and Russian service में difference क्या है?
yes, I know that, I have understood it. So the basic difference is that in French service, it's just like what happened in our home. So the waiter will brings up the entire food and will just place it on the table. The waiter will bring the food and he or she will place it on the table. And once they will place it on the table, what will happen? The guest will help himself. Guest will help himself. Just hold on. I mean, like, see, what happened that the guest is basically served by the waiter. वो serve करता है rice, roti and everything. But here what will happen? Waiter will bring up the entire container of dal, entire container of roti in front of the table. Table के ऊपर रख देगा and the guest will help themselves. Exactly the same thing जो हमारे घर में होता है. आप अपने मम्मी को ये कहते हो कि मॉम प्लीज सिट विद अस, हम लोग एक साथ बैठ के खाते हैं. But mom say that then खाना कौन